Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem. Well, I shouldn't say common, but it can happen with the Shark robotic vacuum, and this could be a variety of different models. Most are the same. The first thing you want to do is power it off. If the front bumper is stuck, which is this piece, and you tried to see if there's something lodged in there, and you can't, the next step would be to take the front bumper off. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the tool like I'm using. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to take these screws out, paying close attention to where I put the screws because I don't want to lose them. And probably a poor idea to be doing this beside an air conditioner vent, but I live on the edge like that, bro. So we're going to go ahead and take these out. And I'm going to place them in the order that I remove them. So, I mean, if that matters, it may not. I'm going to take these out here. By the way, if this video helps you, and it's not required, but if it does, feel free to send me a super thanks. And you can find the thanks icon down below this video, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. Again, not required, but deeply appreciated. So see, that lifted off, and now what I can do is lift this piece off. So now you see the unit, and you can see there's some dust there. I mean, not that that's the culprit, but I might as well give it a good blowing with that piece off. Make sure there's nothing lodged in here that could be contributing to the stuck bumper. Shake this out. There was a little piece of hard plastic in there. So I mean, pretty much anything that could get lodged in there, you know, just clean it out while you got this piece off. Now I don't see anything in there that could be contributing to the failure. So carefully, what we're going to do now is put this. See, look at the front. Make sure there's nothing there that needs to be cleaned, and then gently align this. Test your alignment. Make sure those springs, see it's got like little springs in there. Make sure those are responsive both down and back. They are. So then gently flip it over with everything aligned. Put this piece back on. Making sure these little bristle pieces are kind of stuck in there, and they are. So you got this back on. Has a good tactile snap. Put this in here, screw it in. Again, I'll link the specialized screwdriver like I'm using within this video's description, because you will need that. If you try to use a standard screwdriver, these screws are different. And you notice I'm doing this in the same sequence. It appears that all of these screws are the same size, but I never make assumptions. Don't get them too tight. Don't want to break the plastic, but you know, get them tight enough. There's one more. Uh-oh. Oh, good, it came out. Take your time. See, I got in a hurry. I got chicken wings to air fry, bro. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so now all those are on there. Let's give it another quick test. Make sure it's responsive. Seems to be. Is it going to work? Is it going to work, man? Is it going to work? Let's turn on the power. Let's remove these flip-flops from the area. Aha, it's working. No bumper air. Look at that. So that's how to clear a shark robot bumper if something becomes lodged that you can't see. You know, a quick disassembly like I did may resolve your issue too. Hope this video helped. If it did, again, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And feel free to send me a super thanks. You can click that thanks button down below this video. Again, not required, but deeply appreciated if you choose to do so. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.